You ever see those guys online yelling about flipping $100 into 10 grand overnight? Yeah, that's not this. Because this isn't about hype. This is about actual facts. This is about 4 simple things, so simple a 10-year-old could do it, to make consistent money in Forex. Because while the tactic can help you turn $100 into 10 grand, it's the simple daily actions that will turn you into a consistently profitable trader. It's the simple daily actions that will turn you into a millionaire. So if you're new, or if you've been bleeding your account for months, stop whatever the hell you're doing and listen up. These are the 4 steps to make profit in Forex. Step 1, trade with the damn trend. Tattoo this somewhere painful, trade with the damn trend. This also will save you from 80% of your own bad decisions. The market is going up, you buy. The market's going down, you sell. That's it. That's the whole fucking trick. Every day, some rookie logs in, sees price climbing, and thinks, I'm gonna short this. It's going too far up. Gone too far? Man, the trend doesn't care about your feelings. They don't care that you think it's overbought. You're not smarter than the market. Nobody is. Start trading against momentum, you're gambling. And gamblers, they get smoked. Zoom out to 4-hour, even the daily, sometimes a whole month, a week. Don't stare at the 1-minute chart like you're decoding the matrix. You're not Neo. You're just some guy trying to grow an account. Ask yourself, higher highs and higher lows? Cool, we're in an uptrend. Look for buys. Lower highs and lower lows? Downtrend. Keep looking for themselves. No indicators, no fluff, just follow the trend. Even if you did nothing else and you just followed this, you'd eliminate 70% of the dumb trades that you did blowing your account. Heroes try to call tops and bottoms. They go broke. You're not here to predict. You're here to follow, observe, and to ride the wave like a surfer. You want longevity? Trade with the current. Let the trend do the heavy lifting. The game rewards consistency, not flash. Step 2, mark up a clean supply and demand zone. This is where the sauce is. You don't need 14 hours of YouTube Picasso box drawing. You just need to understand simple supply and demand. Big money leaves footprints. They don't randomly move the market. They spike in price. That wasn't Timmy from Nebraska on his $100 trade. That was an institutional money. Look, what do? Look for a strong push, find the last candle before the move started, mark up that zone. Up equals demand, down equals supply. And stop drawing 30 different zones like a 5-year-old with crayons. Pick one that's aligned with the trend, buy current price, and if there's no alignment, then you just don't take a trade. Then wait, let price come back to your zone. Don't chase it, don't stalk it, don't set up for the trap. If price comes back here, then you strike. If not, you sit out, it's fine. No zone, no trade. Don't trade because you're bored or have a feeling. One zone, one trend, one target. Next time you're on the chart, ask, did price leave a clue here? Is this where the big players played? If yes, mark it, prep it, wait. If not, just simply get up and walk the fuck away. Step 3, enter with low risk, high reward. This is where gamblers get exposed. The difference between pros and blowups is their risk management. No stop loss, no plan, no discipline. You're donating your money to the market. And the market doesn't send thank you cards. Here's the rule, 1 or 2% max per trade. $1,000 account, $10 risk. That's it. Because when you lose 5 trades in a row, which you will, you're still gonna be alive, still playing the game. For every $1 risk, aim for $2 or $3 profit. 2 to 1 or 3 to 1. You don't need to win every trade, just win the smart trade. You enter only when price chaps your zone and you get a confirmation. If price is floating in the middle of nowhere and you're overanalyzing, you're trying to force it. And forced trades equal pain. You're not here to chase or predict. You react to clean setups. Defined risk, high reward. Write this down. 1% risk, 2 to 3% reward. A+ setup only, no zone, no trade, confirmation, or absolutely nothing. This is how you're gonna stop the bleeding and start building. Lose pennies and win dollars. Step 4, journal the damn trades. This is the step 95% of traders skip, and it's why they stay stuck. Pros journal every trade, their wins, losses, break-evens, panic exits, FOMO buys, all of it. Not to be perfect, but to be consistent. Think of it like a game tape. You don't watch tape, you're not serious. You're winging it. And this game punishes the people that are winging it. You don't need a fancy dashboard, Google Doc, notepad, whiteboard, just whatever keeps you honest. This is what you're gonna log. Why you took that trade, where you entered, where you exited, how you felt during that moment, and what did you learn? Chased because you were bored? Write it down. Exited early from panic? Write it down. Ignored your rules because it looked sexy? Write it down. This is how you're gonna build awareness. This is how you stop the bleeding. It's not about analysis, it's about accountability. Most hide behind hope. Hope in this game is not a strategy. Here's the kicker. You don't need to do this daily, just 1 hour a week. Review, reflect, and ask, would I take this trade again? Do that for the next 90 days. And I promise you, you're gonna become a different trader. You're gonna be more focused, more patient, and more deadly in the market. If journaling sounds boring, good. Because success is boring. Growth is boring. But being broke, that's even more boring. Pick your pain. That's it. 4 simple steps, no hype, no fluff. Just the real playbook. Number 1, trade with the trend again. Number 2, mark up clear zones. Number 3, risk small, aim big. And number 4, make sure you're journaling everything. You don't need a $2,000 course. You don't need 20 different indicators. You simply need structure, discipline, and the balls to just stick with it. Most traders blow up chasing the holy grail. But the truth is, it's already here. Right now, this is the system. This is the edge that you need. And if you don't want to be that guy still watching YouTube in 3 years, still demo trading, still stuck, then stop waiting, lock in, and let's get started now. You're only 1 trade away. 1 clean setup, 1 smart decision, 1 shift in discipline that changes everything for you. Well, that's all I have for you. Hit that subscribe button. We have more banger content coming out. See you on the next one. Love you guys. Peace.